How would you be, guys? As you can see, I've got my oil cooler guard back from the spray painters and it looks absolutely awesome. I'm very happy with the finish. So what I'm going to do now is just mount this mesh grill to the back of the oil cooler guard, and I'm just going to use this all-purpose RTV silicone just to mount it on the back. So what I'm going to do is just lay this towel down so I don't scratch the oil cooler on the workbench. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to mount the grill on here, and I want one of the cutouts in the mesh to go around the bolt, and I also want it to be fairly centered. So what I had to do was just cut out a little bit of the cross member of the grill. Now what I've got to do is just weigh it down and apply some silicone.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Help Daddy, that's right. You are my little helper. Alrighty, so it's the next day and the silicone's nice and dry. Yes, it looks a bit ordinary, but don't worry because you certainly can't see that from the front. And I've put on enough where it's nice and solid and the grill doesn't move at all when you push on it. So what I'm going to do now is just install the brackets, then wash the bike, then whack the oil cooler guard back on the bike. Alrighty, so now the bike's nice and clean, I'm going to whack the oil cooler guard back on. I'm just going to put a towel here in case the oil cooler guard falls onto the fender, as I don't want to scratch the fender. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this one. I've got to say I'm absolutely wrapped with the way the paint job turned out on the oil cooler guard. Yes, it cost me a small fortune in the end, but I haven't seen an oil cooler guard on a Softail Street Bob, and yeah, I couldn't be happier. Let me know in the comments what you think, but that's going to do it for this one. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.